Alana here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to do a video showing you guys around my DIY vanity in my room. I totally wasn't expecting to have a vanity in this home, but in our room we had, like, you know, a little area, and I was like, oh, you know what, I can actually turn that space into something. I knew that I didn't want something like that was super big, or something that was like really expensive, or something that required too much work, because I've seen the DIY videos where they're drilling into the wall, and I wasn't gonna do any of that. I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour around my vanity because it was super easy and super inexpensive to kind of create. So yeah, let's go look at it. This is my area in the room where I like to get dressed and do my makeup, lotion my body up, do my hair, like get ready for the day. And it really makes a difference. Like standing in front of the mirror when I was pregnant was a lot for me, like trying to lean over and look into the mirror to get everything done. So now that I have like a comfortable, cute little area that I get dressed at, it makes getting dressed a whole lot more fun. Okay, so starting at the top, right now I just have some push pins up here. I might change it to something a little bit more like clear or gold or something, but for right now I just have some neutral colored push pins, and then I have all of my gold costume jewelry hanging. Now this mirror, I actually got this mirror from Amazon. I will have this exact mirror linked down below. There's two versions of it. This one is the 16 by 20, I believe. It is the one that is more vertical, and I chose this one because of the space that I knew this vanity was going in. I wanted something that was going to be taller rather than wider. The desk actually came from IKEA. I paid $25 for the desk, and I think I paid $65 for the vanity mirror. The lights come already attached to this mirror. There is an on button. It's touchscreen on and off. And then there's other like modes you could put it in. And then here you can actually, I think you can dim. Yeah, you can dim it. So this is it dim. You can't really tell on camera, but that's dim. And then you just tap it again, I think, right? Yeah. And now it's getting brighter. And boom, it's super bright. So in addition to the power cord on this side, there is an area where you can actually plug up your phone. You could just plug a USB cord in there and charge your phone while you're getting dressed. I think that's cool. So right over here, I just have a vase and some flowers that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I think Hobby Lobby has the best faux flowers or silk flowers, whatever you call them, because they just look so realistic. So I choose Hobby Lobby's. I keep my micellar water here on my vanity because this is usually where I'm taking off like my eye makeup, getting ready to wash my face, and getting ready to unwind for the day. So this is a mini, like, just glass vase from Dollar Tree. I actually have all of my filthy makeup brushes in here. These are like the brushes that I reach for pretty much every day. This is from my engagement party. If you guys haven't seen that vlog, I'll link it above. I have all of my favorite eye products. These are my mascaras. I have my lip liners in here, and pretty much anything that I just kind of need to grab while I'm doing my makeup is all in this cup right here. Over here I have a little dish. It has an A on it. It's just like a monogram dish. I keep most of my stud earrings. I have some hoops in there. I have some extra earring backs because, I mean, let's be honest, we could all use an extra earring back. You know, like, people are always looking for random earring backs. So I have some London's little pearl earrings, just some extra studs because I love studs. Those are my favorite type of earrings. And my watches. Fun fact, Walmart actually has some really great 4-wick candles. They used to have 3-wick candles, but I think these are the replacements that they have. So these are some of my favorite to get. The Vanity actually has like a little ledge on it, which I think is really helpful because I use this ledge to put my beauty blender, and this is just like a beauty blender holder, so it's not rolling all over the table and making foundation marks on my table. So I keep my beauty blender holder there. I usually keep my favorite pair of lashes here. If you guys are interested in these lashes, I will have them linked down below. For my other lashes that I really love, I have this cute little holder, and inside the holder I do need to clean it out, but these are just some of my favorite 3D lashes, like the ones that I really reach for the most. Over here I just have a couple of my favorite lip glosses and liquid lipsticks. This is a super cute nude color, and it's by Glamazon Beauty Cosmetics, but this is my favorite nude ever. And you guys know these are my favorite red lipsticks because I did a favorite red lipstick video. And then I usually keep some of my Fenty Balm lip glosses up here. I think the other two are in my purse because I wear those so much. And then my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This is the foundation that is my go-to. This is the one that I wear when I do wear foundation. It's either between this one or my Fenty Beauty foundation. Over here I just have some ankle bracelets, and they sit on this little dish with some deer antlers. So these are all just ankle bracelets. This thing right here is a necklace and bracelet holder. This I think is really cute. It goes nicely in the corner of this vanity, and it has some of my Alex and Ani bracelets, which you guys see a lot because these are like my go-to bracelets. This was a DIY choker. I think I made a video on this. I don't know if I ever actually posted it, but if I did, I will link it in the cards above. And then I have some more like shorter gold necklaces over here. My name necklace. I have London's L necklace, or really it's my L necklace for her, but I let her borrow it sometimes. And then I just have a couple of, like, these are shorter necklaces that go obviously around my neck because that's where necklaces go. I also like to keep my smaller mirror up here for when I do my makeup, because when I'm trying to get like my eyeliner to go on or my lashes, I need something that's a little bit more close up. So I like to use the magnified side, and this really helps me out a lot. Over here in the corner I have this cute little plant. I think I got this plant from the store At Home. If you guys don't know what At Home is, I suggest you look it up. It is definitely a great store to buy like some cute home decor, and it's one of my favorite stores to shop at, honestly. So last but not least, we're just gonna go look in the drawer. Now I would love for this to be a little bit more organized, but right now it is what it is, okay? So over here I just have a bunch of my sunglasses. I have some Tom Ford glasses. I have Prada, Michael Kors, no, who is this? Marc Jacobs. Over here I just have some like random glasses from Pretty Little Thing, I think, or Boohoo maybe, I don't know, but these are like my vacation glasses. And then I have a couple of makeup palettes. These are the ones that I usually kind of go for mostly out of my palette collection, so I just keep them here in the vanity. So this is a Secret of Pharaoh palette by Eben, and these palettes are actually really pigmented. I really do like these palettes. So if you guys are interested in like me doing like maybe a palette collection video or showing what's in my MAC palette, like those specific colors, let me know down in the comments below so I can get that done for you guys, because I have a lot of makeup palettes, and makeup palettes are the best ever because they're very convenient when you travel, and they're very convenient when you wear makeup or when you have like a signature go-to look. I'm usually doing like a nude type of situation, so I pretty much, oh, the bracelet that London made me just broke. Yeah, I'm usually doing like a nude situation, so I kind of always have the same look going, so I reach for pretty much the same palettes. That's why I keep them here in my drawer. Okay, moving on. So right here in the front of my drawer, I just have this little plate that I got from, I think, Hobby Lobby. This is a glass coaster, but I actually use this coaster to put my makeup on. It actually works really well because it keeps my makeup nice and cool. I have some giant JLo Ashanti earrings here, and an extra hair tie over here. I just keep a bunch of safety pins because sometimes I have to safety pin things. I also keep a stick of cocoa butter. Who knows about this? Keeping a stick of cocoa butter around will help save a life, okay? I like to keep this around for after I wash my face. If my mouth feels a little dry, I'll put a little bit of cocoa butter on. This is some extra nails from a press-on set that I did. I don't know why they're there, but they are. And then this is my favorite lip treatment. This is the Hanalei lip treatment in mauve pink. I also keep my concealers over here just for quick access. These are my Fenty Beauty concealers, and I get the color 370. And then this is my go-to Fawn concealer by LA Girl Pro Conceal. I also keep my eyebrow pencil on standby. This is the Iris Beauty eyebrow pencil. I think I've talked about this in another video. I want to say like my favorites video or something, but this is still my favorite eyebrow pencil, and I use this every single day. This, I want to say, it was about $12, and the color is perfect, the texture is perfect, it lasts forever, so I love it. Right here, I just have a bunch of jewelry bags, and this has a lot more jewelry in it that I don't really have a place to put right now. This is mostly like chokers. There's like tennis bracelet, tennis necklaces in there. Yeah, some bamboo earrings are in there. Probably like a bunch of hoops. Let's see what's in here. Oh, and these are like my costume jewelry type of earrings. Got a bunch of them in there. Back here, I have all of my everyday lashes. So these are the ones that I have on now. And last but not least, over here in this area, I just have some extra press-on nails. And usually I wear the Kiss Glam Fantasies if I don't make them myself. This is a new glue that I'm trying out. This is my favorite eyelash glue to use, the Duo, because it has the brush, you know, and whatnot. But this, I've been using this lately, and I actually really like it. So I'm gonna do a video doing a review on this and showing you guys how to use it, but it's different from anything I've ever used before. It dries pretty fast. I haven't had any issues. My eyes water and these haven't come off, so I actually really like this glue. I have a basket right here that just has other essentials for me to do my makeup. Like I said, I just bought more of the Hanalei lip treatment, so these are my extras. I think it's 3 in a box. And I'll have that link down below too if you guys want to try out that lip mask. It's 3 of them for $15, and one tube lasts me like 4 or 5 months at a time. So definitely worth it if you want soft lips. So here are the things that I use to put on my lashes. I have some tweezers over here. I have some glue. This is my primer that I like to use. Here's my Laura Mercier powder. Like I told you guys, I use my Fenty Beauty every now and then. This is a clip, it actually goes over here. Extra concealer. This is the contour stick that I use, Glamazon Beauty in Deep Cocoa. I have my Jackie Aina Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder, and this is in LeBron's. And I also have the other one, which is La Peach, and these are some of my favorite highlighters ever. I also forgot to tell you guys that I keep a little pouch. This is the pouch from Henry Vandel. I keep this pouch on my vanity. This pouch actually just has like my favorite lip products in it, most of my favorite lip liners. I have some Carmex in here. I have some lip gloss in here. I have a love note from London in here. As you can see, most of my go-to colors are nudes. This is all that I have in this pouch. This chair, I'm not including in like the overall vanity price, but this chair was $80, $80. And I got it from Marshall's. And I'll try to find something similar to this and link it down below, but this chair is really very comfortable and it's soft, it's pretty. It has a lot of room for you to like lean back and relax, and I just really love like the suede texture of it. This is the perfect chair. Okay, you guys, that's all for my vanity tour. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I know to do more content like this. I can't wait to show you guys my whole entire room. I will be doing a master bedroom reveal. I just have like 2 more things I need to add to my room, and then I'll show you guys what the whole entire thing looks like. But yeah, I really just wanted to share this vanity with you guys. It was quick, it was easy. All of the items that I recommended will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure that you do not forget to check there. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more